Just a quick question. Whoever is having more than 500 connection, say yes in the chat box. Whoever joined so far, more than 500 connections. Yes, great. Sir. Anybody else? Yeah, you can put yes, Krishna. Excellent, excellent.
It's
We have so many experts here. That's it. Yes.
Victory chat is only to privately to you and Sukhdeepak sir.
No, you can click that. No, everyone in the waiting room is 1 minute. Let me change it.
It's not there, sir.
Yeah, okay. Everyone in the meeting. Is it okay?
No, not yet.
But I have not blocked it from my side. 1 second.
Okay.
Oh. Okay, now you can do it.
Yeah, now I can see that. Thanks.
Excellent. We have so many thought leaders in LinkedIn. I will also give you a few names after this session. You can start following them. Definitely, they will add a lot of value. One of the thought leaders is Soib Hassan, who is from UAE. He once said, in coming days, if a professional not using LinkedIn for 15 to 30 minutes every day, he'll be surely in trouble. That is a harsh statement he is using, because now everything is going to be online. This importance of this social media, especially on the professional network, is very, very important. We will see everything one by one. We are just waiting for some more people to join. As you all know, we have two versions. One is free version from LinkedIn, and another is paid version. It's called premium. Roughly, it is 200 dirham per month in UAE, around 4,000 rupees in India. Every month you have to pay it. There are plenty of people are using it, paid version, but I am an advocate of free version. A lot of big influencers and achievers, they used so far only the free version, and you have enough thing in free version itself. After using it perfectly, if you feel like you are using it, you can start go for the premium version. Nitya, meeting போயிட்டு இருக்குமா? Good evening, everyone who are all joined just now. We are just waiting for a few more people. We will start the session exactly at 9:15.
Yeah,
Thanks
so
for
we
joining.
got 5 minutes more. In the meantime, if people have some questions, they can ask.
Yes.
So I take it that everybody has a LinkedIn account. Dr. Smita, you don't have a LinkedIn account, is it?
No, I don't. I've created, I think, many years ago, but I've never looked into it. I don't think I have.
Then at least you will not make the mistakes which we've already made. And you will keep, what Vitravel is going to teach us, you will keep it in mind while you're building it.
Yeah.
Yeah, because we end up doing a lot of unnecessary stuff, which is very detrimental. You will be able to avoid that.
True.
Vitravel, this is Sapna this side. Uh,
Yes.
you will be also teaching us how to maintain the profile or how
Everything.
impactful.
Yeah, my session will cover the importance and how to do the profile and other features also there, like search and other things. You can, after this, you can effectively start using it.
Yeah.
And any doubt, future also you can reach to me for any help.
Yeah, I'll just send you a connection request also.
Yeah, we will do it. We will do a live session. I planned in such a way that we will split this into 3 parts. One is I will just go through the profile and all the options. Second thing, we will do little live session on how to connect, how to do search and all. And after that, we'll have a Q&A session. I will try to justify with this time. And it's an open offer. Whoever wants to have little more, want to know little more, please reach to me. Anytime I'm available, please. We have 2 more minutes to go. Thanks for joining. We are just waiting for some more people to join. Just hold on for 2 more minutes.
You know, I have an idea with Rivel. After today's
Yes, sir.
session, maybe after 2 weeks, we should have another session with you. Because when
I'm okay,
people
sir.
are really using it, they will have a lot of questions that they will be wanting to ask you.
That's a perfect idea.
We'll do a part 2 of this.
And I have one more suggestion to ask you.
Yeah.
Related to this, we need to use one software online tool called Canva.com to create banner, to create posters and all. It's a free tool. And, Canvas. It's a
Canva. I'm using it.
Yeah, but that is also we can arrange one session in between. People can make use of.
Yeah. Good idea. We should do that.
People create a lot of creative contents. It's very easy, very useful.
All right. So you're going to be our social media and creative faculty. Okay.
Thank you very much, sir.
We do Canva session as well.
We will do that, sir. We will do.
Okay, so we've got Atul Kakkad also, very nice.
Good evening, Mr. Abdul.
Yeah, all the way from Nigeria.
Good evening, sirs.
Good evening, nice to see you. I was waiting for you. I said, I wonder if he's going to join us or not. Very good, very good.
No, sir, definitely what I can say. Your wish is my command.
Good evening, Atul. Thanks for joining.
All about Vitravel and a lot that he can contribute to us.
Sir, for your information, I connected with Atul. We had a conversation.
Okay, excellent, superb. So one is an Africa expert and one is a social media expert.
New possibilities coming up.
You'll be going and doing marketing in Africa also.
Definitely.
Sir, you are the backbone.
True.
I'm the possibility creator.
Definitely, sir, you have created the possibility of confidence that we can do it.
All right, very good. So it's time now, Vitravel. Why don't you start?
Yes.
Good evening, everyone. And I'm very happy and very honored. Thank you, Sukhdeep ji. Thank you, Dr. Smita, for joining, and everyone I welcome. I assure you, you will go with some handful of tips and important informations which will definitely add value to your professional or whatever, either you're seeking for a job or you're doing a business looking for the client. And this LinkedIn is one of the important tool I feel personally it is less used, and I have been using it in a very bigger way, but still I'm exploring a lot of things. And I have been helping a lot of friends on this. And to be honest, wherever I go, I used to talk about this. Then I approached Sukhdeep sir. Sir said immediately, yes, you can just go ahead with this. I designed it this such a way that we will discuss about the options and features. Then we will do a live session. Then we will go for a Q&A. In between, whoever feels like you want to stop and ask questions, you are free to ask. And after this session also, you can reach me at any time, wherever you get stuck or whatever information you want to know. Whatever I learned so far, I'm very open to share with you. And it's a big honor for me. You are all joining at this time at this forum. I just share my screen. You can see my screen and you can hear my voice. Can you just show thumbs up?
Yes, yes.
Thank you very much. Thank you very much. We are just getting into LinkedIn mastery. I am from a sales and business development side. We call it as a social selling. What do you mean by social selling? It's you selling through the social media. Here, if we say social media, it's nothing but LinkedIn because it's the largest professional network and very famous all around the world. About me, little bit. Myself is Vetrivel Shanmuga. I am a business development professional, worked in UAE, Singapore, and in India. I am very passionate about social selling. I am a Toastmaster in UAE. I am also a leader and member in 5 AM Club UAE. And I can say myself proudly, I am a student of Mr. Sukhdeepak. I am using LinkedIn since 2017. Why I mentioned that is, I remember one of my friend, colleague, who introduced me this tool. It looked very interesting. Then I started exploring it. Trust me, since then, all my clients, I got it through LinkedIn. And the jobs I changed since then, all jobs I got it through LinkedIn. Not, it is not that I did certain things and all. 80% they reached me. It is, you know, the difference between inbound and outbound and all. No? When we go and approach, it is outbound, and if something comes to us, the inbound. 80% they reached me. Today, I want to personally mention that this day could be the same date for you. Some of you, you can start from here. Why we use LinkedIn? There are plenty of reasons to use LinkedIn. Here I listed a few things. For a job seekers, it's a great tool. You have plenty of connections and job was available. And when you talk about personal brand, you must use this LinkedIn perfectly. And Google loves LinkedIn. When you go and search in the Google, it first go and search in the LinkedIn. And contacts in a professional world, nothing like LinkedIn can create and maintain. And about companies, about employees, about a position, you can do a thorough research, and all the data are very true. And it can help you tap industry news. And ultimately, what we are all doing here is networking. So that is possible here. I just designed this in 6 ways. Let us spend little time on profile and personal branding, how to do it using the LinkedIn. Then we'll spend some important features which you must use in LinkedIn: search content and content curation, strategy, process measure, and we'll do a little live session. And finally, we will go with Q&A. Sorry, Pritika, can you just mute?
Pritika, would you mute yourself?
Sorry for that. let us get into the profile section first. Profile section has very important sections like profile photo, banner, profile title, summary, work experience, volunteer, courses, skills, certifications, recommendations, groups, interest, and finally, if you go through a certain aspects, it will give you all star. And I recommend all of you, you try to, as a first level, you try to achieve this all star category. In a free version, it is available. But if you go through a proper profile setup, it gives all star. I will give you clarity on how to achieve that. Just see three important aspects. Profile. First and foremost thing is you need to have a proper profile photo. Many times, of course, we are all professionals. We know what is the profile photo and how to do it and all. But many times, many people don't do it in a proper way. Recommended is you need to have a white background and it should be a clear headshot. And many people use it very less is this banner. Now it is nothing but a paid billboard. You remember now during this COVID, all this time, people are not going outside. Even the big billboards or big banners are becoming useless. Everybody is online and seeing that, checking your profile on the internet. So all the people are coming and seeing your profile. This banner acts as a billboard, and you should take care of this. It should tell you, it should tell your customer, or it should tell your employer what is that one keyword or two keyword you are known for. What is your niche area? What is your expertise? What is that you want to sell? You can when I say your customer, it can be your employer also. So you have to attract them in such a way that you use this banner properly. For that, like I mentioned, you have to use this Canva properly. Canva.com is a software which gives options for you to create this banner. They already created a lot of template and giving it you free. We will see that also when time permits. And the important third aspect comes is the title. When title comes, it should be like customer centric, not on self-boasting. So we will go through a few of the titles. It should be like, what is the problem you are solving? It is not only about what you do. You have to write in such a way that how you solve other problems. And on the profile, one basic attitude things you should take care, which is many people have this LinkedIn profile is not the online CV. It is not your online CV. It is your online reputation. So use it wisely. Either you do business looking for a client, or you are a job seeker looking for a job. This is your online reputation. So you should use it very properly. So this is just a sample I have shown it. Next comes the summary. Summary is nothing but in a sales or a thing. You could have heard this term elevator pitch. For the people who doesn't know this term, I can explain it. You are meeting a person who may be your important prospect, who may be your important next employer, or a very important person for you. But you get only 30 seconds in the elevator. You have to tell about yourself to him. You should tell it in such a way that he asks for a number, or he should reach you, fix for the meeting. So you have to tell it in such a way that the summary, it should be interesting, and it should tell all about you. What is that you are intending to do? So you have to maintain that. Now comes the very important part. This is the important part which I like very much, because this is so genuine, so true. Not everybody is faking like other social media. You can put all the job changes, what the roles you played, which company, how much duration, what are the roles you did. You can update up to date, and everybody is checking it. And even if you go and check some, everything is genuine. And You have to maintain it in a genuine way so that your possibilities will open up. And if you go and search people, their things also very true. And this is a very important: company name, company logo, the duration in which you worked. This all adds up to your reputation. So work experience should be up to date. Now comes the very important part. You can add all your volunteer works you do and you are involved in, and what are the courses you did, you can just put that. And skills, what are the skills you acquired, certifications, recommendations, groups you involved in, interest. It is like giving you a lot of options. You have to spend little more time and add, you have to do it. This license and certification, what are the course you complete, you can directly add into it and people can see it. If, for example, if somebody is looking for artificial intelligence requirement, if they see this artificial intelligence related course, latest version course you have completed, it is like very easy to decide, like, isn't it? So it is a globally recognized standard, and you can add all these things. And endorsement is very, very important area. I guess it is up to 42 or 48 things you can add here. Which area you are very specialized, you have to get endorsement. At least nothing wrong in going and asking people that endorse me on this, no problem. Because when a employer comes and sees this, you tell others that you are expert in social selling, and social selling should be endorsed. And if you say that you are in particular database management technology, it should be endorsed. This all gives online reputations for you. So we have to put it. And if you go little deeper, when we go through the live session, I will show you. You can pin 3 endorsements on top of it, which should be so visible when others are viewing it. We have that option to customize things and all. And here, many people are not using it in proper way. The recommendation is a very important part. You can give n number of recommendations to others, and you can receive n number of recommendations. And this doesn't happen automatically. We have to, if you want to make your profile powerful, you must go speak to people, ask them to write recommendation. And on this, you have option of sending requests directly from LinkedIn to ask for the recommendation. Nothing wrong in asking. You go to previous employer, ask. You go to your ex-colleague, you ask the recommendation. You go to your client, ask for. So, for example, if a known guy who is giving a good recommendation about you, it is a easy information and recommendation for the employer to give you the job or a customer to give you the order. So this, we must little bit spend some time and work on it. Here comes the all-star. When you go, this is the symbol I was talking about. If you judiciously fill all the columns, this gives you, LinkedIn free version gives you all-star status. Once all-star status you've got it, then it will list your thing in Google properly, and a lot of other benefits you'll get. So initially, when you do LinkedIn profile, you make sure that you get all-star. Now, few of the profile tips so far, whatever we have seen it. Pick or get a professional social profile photo. So it should be a professional photo, because this LinkedIn itself is a professional network site. So the photo should be professional and it should be a headshot. And like I mentioned, the background should be the billboard. You can customize it. You spend time. Even for photo, I highly recommend you go to a professional photographer. Nothing wrong in spending that, because this is going to be, I'll tell you, this can give you your next employer. If you are in business, this can give you next client. Then nothing wrong in spending for that, right? You go to a professional photographer or take a proper headshot, put it in a profile photo. And billboard, you design it, time and design it. What is that you want to convey to the client? What is that you want to tell it to your next employer? What is that one niche word you are known for? You purposely mention that, and it adds a lot of value. When people come and see your profile, they are just scrolling. Before they move to next one, they should know that this guy is known for this IT support. This guy is known for this artificial intelligence, and that reputation you should create. And profile title, it should be captivating. If you spend small tips on this profile title is, before writing your one, list out, even it is applicable for all other things also. You download 10 or 20 profiles from these other thought leaders or seniors in your field, same industry. Just go through, do a little research on how they have written titles. Then you will get a clear idea how to write your titles and all. It is a very, very important part. And on this title, you have to use keyword, because this keyword is the one which is going to list down your profile. And using tags, hashtags, and all like other social media, here it plays a bigger role. And keyword search is very important. If, for example, I'm a business development professional, the business development word should be there in my title. The business development word should be there in my summary. So in the business development word should be there in my job descriptions, because I am looking for a job in business development. It is not that I go and write everywhere looking for a job, looking for a change. I highly recommend don't do that. People will come to you. You keep doing your niche area and keep supporting people, and this will come to you. But the keyword search is indirectly pulling out the opportunities. So I highly recommend, what is your keyword, you use it often. And elevator pitch, I explained it. And give and ask for recommendations. And you see a profile and it is updated before 2016. After that, nothing has been updated. What the impression you will get? So it is very, very important that up to date it should be updated. All changes. So it's up to your responsibility. Very, very important. Many people, even if I asked you to keep your LinkedIn profile open, you just go open the info page and contact page. You just check all your contact details are filled or not. Because for example, I am an employer. I check your profile, go to the contact page. There is an option for filling up your phone number, mobile number. There is an option to fill your email ID. There is an option to fill other social media contacts and all. Have you filled it? How to reach you? In fact, others are going one level up. They go to write their contact details in the summary as well as in the billboard banner. What I request you is, we must keep our contact details in the profile contact page. These are all the important tips. If you just make sure that if you do a little checklist, it will add a lot of value to you. Now here comes the very important aspect. We have well advanced search here. Before that, yes, Krishna.
I have a question. How do you add hashtags and tags?
Hashtags, yeah.
Down the line?
Tag, yeah. When you in the profile, you can add, for example, I am into industry called building information modeling, which works in between architect and contractors. So for me, there are plenty of hashtags called BIM, building information modeling, digital transfer, those kind of stuff. These are all hashtags. Hashtags comes with a hash symbol. You add into your profile. These give index to Google. Because whatever we search or whoever is searching, it will pull our profile and give it to them. If you write a content, add hashtags. So hashtags is already indexed in Google, so it will give you advantage. Tag is nothing but you have to put @ symbol, then you can put that person in a profile. For example, you are seeing a small content. That company is looking for a software engineer and you know your friend is suitable for that. What you will do, you just go to the comment, put @ that friend name. Then the company also can see that your friend's profile and your friend is been notified on this particular act. So he can go and reach the company. So the tags are so powerful. Thanks, Krishna, for asking that question.
Maybe if you can give an example, that would be great. Right?
I will cover that. I will cover that because we have a live. Definitely, it's a very important aspect. You go do start over your friends. You go give them, tag them something. they will thank you for that. And your visibility also. Is there any doubt on the profile? Anybody? One or two? Can I move into search? Yes, I take that as a yes. We are going to see search, connect, and message. Why we are searching, what the purpose of search is to connect, and why we connect is after that we are going to message it. Not many people are doing it very seriously, because this is where the content, like buying the iPhone, using it for only making call and receiving call, it doesn't help. So you created a wonderful profile and you are not connecting with people, you are not doing something in the industry, then what is the purpose of keeping the beautiful, wonderful, all-star profile? Here comes the search engine. Many people ask, when you ask for the connections, when you click that, people say you have two options. Should I follow or should I connect? I highly recommend, if you are connecting with your industry people, you go for the connect, because up to 30,000 people you can directly connect with the people for the free version. But after that, people can follow you in lakhs. That is a different story. And second tips, if a person whom you are going to connect seems to be a higher authority or a very important something, they will not immediately connect with you. They may not consider you. In that case, what I recommend is you just go and follow them. If you simply click follow them, you can see all their contents, everything. You start engaging with their content. You give the like, you share something. It is in the social media world. Everybody is looking for somebody is making colorful my presentation. Thank you very much for that. Actually, people, if you like, directly you're connecting with that person, and he can get visibility on you. He can start noticing you. Then you can connect later. So if the person is equal to you or not a so big person, you connect it, and you have a limitation up to 30,000. When I say 30,000, you check your connection status right now. If you have a normal, you can go up to 30,000. So keep connecting and follow all the industry leaders. And I want to tell you one important thing is, thought leaders, what they say is, an average user, LinkedIn average user will have a 3,000 connections. An expert will have 5,000 connections. So you have to check yourself where you stand for.
And how do you check that?
It shows in the list, sir. How many people you can start connecting. It shows in the professional connections itself. Up to 500, it shows the number in the top column itself. After that, it shows 500 plus. If you come down, it shows in the left side corner how many people you have up to connected.
Yeah, 4,700. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay, got it. Thanks.
Like that. You have limit of up to 30,000. And this is very important. Why we need to have more connections? That I'll explain how the LinkedIn works. First degree, second degree, third degree, and all. That time you'll get a complete clarity. Then after that, you can start connecting everyone every day. You can search to find companies. Now we are doing little deep dive in the search column. We can find companies that you want to work or prospect. Find who the decision makers are in those companies. Research a company and the decision maker, and you can start connecting with the prospects. I put things in both the perspective. If you are a business owner or a salesperson, you can reach your prospects using all this strategy. If you are a guy who you are looking for your next employer opportunity, you can do the same thing here. And keep up to date with what they are doing. It has done a lot of magic. The company, the person whom you know recently changed the job, and suddenly you go and approach him, sir, you joined a new company, I want to check with you, is there any opportunities are coming up? Then he will open up, yeah, I'm looking for these candidates and all. How about we are talking about, how about we discuss about that? It opens up plenty of opportunities. So this up-to-date information is very crucial. And you can build relationship with multi-level decision makers, and obviously you can find jobs. There are, I list down 3 types of search here. It is very, very important here, and I like it very much. I have achieved so many things using this. If you simply go to a search box and put a word, it will search the complete things on that. For example, Harvard, it will search everything. If you put IT, it will list down everything. And it will show you first, second, something like that. This is a basic search. You can search it. About this first level, second level, third level, we will see it in a moment. Next is the basic built-in features. It has got like people, content, companies, and few searches it will show in the list. What I want to tell you is very important as well. This advanced filters. If in this session, at least if you take this thing and you go start using from tomorrow onwards, you will see a different possibility using the LinkedIn. You have connections column first degree, second degree, third degree. It is like first degree is nothing but overall the connections you have. Second degree is your first connections. Third degree is your second connections. As per LinkedIn logic, you cannot directly connect with the third degree connections. So you need to connect with the second degree only. Now you understand the possibility. You know 1,000 people. The 1,000 people may be knowing so many people. If you connect with them only, you can go. So meaning, if you want more possibilities, if you want more prospect, if you want more opportunity in the job front, you need to have more people in your connections so that their connection will add up. When you search in your own profile, the list will open up. For simple this, you need to, for example, people used to say a pond will have more fish. There is a more possibility. You can go fish more. So you need to have more connections. And if you do little sensibly on your industry, on your specific niche area, then you are the industry leader. You will know everybody in that field. And connections, you can connect perfectly. And location wise, this is a killer option I have noticed. Sitting in India or sitting in Dubai, you can connect with few people in Italy, European countries, or Saudi Arabia. Wherever you can work, you can list down based on the country wise. I will demonstrate on that. And you can list company wise, which are the employees are there, something like that. And past companies also. You know that one person, you are searching for one person, he worked in particular company and he left. No worries. You can go and search. You have an option on that. And industry wise, for example, architectural, you are looking for someone who is working in the architectural industry. And you can industry wise search. This and all, I'm using it in a very big way. And language wise, you have so many options here. And this has few more options. It comes down. You can search wise, job title, everything. I will demonstrate, especially for this, I have put the live session because I want to show you two perspectives. If you are a business owner, you want to look for your client, you can use this filter option in a perfect way. If you are an employee looking for a next job opportunity, you can use it in a very big way. I will demonstrate that. And this has got plenty of features. One among is people also viewed option. For example, you are going checking one particular guy, and if you see on the right side, it will show you the people who also viewed this profile. So this, for example, you are going and checking on particular HR manager, and people related to him or in the same industry must have visited his. So these are all your one more prospects. You can connect with them also. So you have to use this. And a small tip here, if you are a salesperson, you are creating your profile, you have an option to disable this option, because I'll tell you, prospect is coming to you. You have, for example, BIM profile, and prospect is seeing you immediately. Here you have some competitors, because competitors, we keep watching other profile, no? Then he will go and he will click here and go, no? You're just losing out your prospect. In a sales perspective, you keep this option disabled. You have option on that in the settings, so that
One-
you are not letting out. Yes, sir.
See, Vitrivel, this particular option,
Yes, sir.
is it available in the free version? I think
Yes.
it's also available in the paid version.
No, sir. It is available.
Really?
It's in the free version. Yes.
Oh,
We have option to disable that also.
okay.
It will give you a lot of new connection, which is something related with the particular prospect we are searching.
Okay, okay.
Thanks.
Thanks.
And here,
Okay.
this is the, yeah,
Can
please go
I
ahead.
ask a question?
Yeah, please.
Yeah, so what I have experienced in few of the cases, when I'm making the advanced search, in some profile, some LinkedIn profile, it shows LinkedIn member and it is restricted and we cannot open that particular profile.
Yeah.
So I am not able to understand why it happened. Like I remember I was targeting to few clients
Yeah.
over LinkedIn, and I couldn't open it. And
I got it, Sakshi. I got it.
I don't know it's with me only or it is a
It is
general
there.
feature.
I'll explain you. I got your doubt, Sakshi. It happens. What I'll tell you is it could be because of the two reasons. One is, if you want to be a particular person and he is available in the LinkedIn, if he is in the third degree, he may not be visible to you, or you will not have an option to connect him. First thing, you need to connect
Okay.
with in between people who know, like, you cannot directly from first connection to third connection, you cannot go. You have to go through second connection. That is one
Right.
thing. Second
Yes.
thing, few people, they restrict, they go for the premium version and they restrict connections. And you cannot simply send them message. You need to buy a premium and email accounts, and you have to send them, reach them, because they feel that their time and value, and they're little bit worried about salespeople. So they keep like that only. In the third connection, third degree connection, if you desperately want to connect, you have a little bit of hack to it. You need to do a kind of a ghost search in the Google, like www.linkedin.com/ and that particular person name. Then it shows in the Google search. From
Okay.
there you go, you will get a connection option. You can connect with that. This is actually, I don't know how much it is legal, but this is available through a ghost search.
But
You have,
my concern is that if like I'm a premium member,
okay.
and if I want to restrict few of my connections, I'm not able to do
Yeah.
that.
Restriction, you have option, and if you are a premium customer, you must be having a lot of restriction. You have to work in the settings, those kind of columns and all, privacy
Okay.
settings. You explore that. Let me also check that, and I will come back to you. Privacy, it is a prime important, because unlike in India, many countries you can't even send them email. You cannot even make a cold calls. So they are
Right.
so strict about those kind of aspects. In that case, they are very strict on privacy. So this option should be there. It is, we
Okay.
have to explore that. I can work on that, Sakshi. I'll come back.
Thank you. Thank you, Vitravel.
Thank you, sir. Thank you very much. So this is the basic picture. I want everyone to spend a little more time, because you need to have more connections. For example, I'll tell you a small example. I want to connect with BIM managers because they give me the orders. When I connect with only 500 people, it shows, when I search BIM managers, it shows only the 2000 BIM managers. When my connections increases, next time when I search BIM manager, it shows 8,000. Actually, BIM managers more than lakh in the world, could be. But for my search, it shows only 2,000 or 6,000, purely depending upon the first degree connections I have. So what I must do is, to have more visibility, or to have more people in my search, I should increase my first degree connections. And we should go and connect with mainly the influencers who has got more connections. Then you will have more possibility of connecting with more people. And use advanced filter to have a specific industry related, so that your search will have more meaning. These are now we are getting into the messaging tips. We will see a little bit about how to do messaging and all. Then we will get into the live session. Messaging is very important. You have beautiful profile. You started connecting with, for example, I take a nice person's job search. He studied IT and he has got a very good experience. He created beautiful profile. He connected with all the HR managers using the advanced search in the Middle East or Dubai. Is it enough? Of course, they will come and see it's all okay, but we have to message it. Engagement should happen. We have to start interacting with them. I used to tell all my friends and all, if your LinkedIn chat, LinkedIn message replaces your WhatsApp, you are a big successful guy, because we do a lot of chatting, messaging on the WhatsApp. But when LinkedIn, when you're messaging, it is purely professional, and you meet your client, you go to your client, or you go to your HR professional employers, then that engagement should increase. What we should do, it should be instant, not an email. Many people do that mistake, writing a complete email or a sales pitch. This is not at all it is acceptable, and you should not do that. Use it to start the conversation. And again, some people make mistake. Hi, hello, not that. You just ask a sensible question. And people are interested in connecting with you. Our main sales, we know that it is not every time we go and sell people. We go and sell the meeting. We go and sell the emails. That's it. You focus on the next step. Start. Can I have your email ID? Are you in this space? Are you using BIM technology? I want to know how you are good in social selling. Something like very simple, and move to the next level. That is the messaging. Make it engaging. You should make him to respond to you, and make sure it's personal and not generic. You have to put it in such a way that that message is typed exclusively for him. Many people make that mistake. They put dear sir, there something or hi or something on. There is no personalization is there. You have to give personalization. You have to give that name. I will show you a few of the examples. I will show you one live example how I got a big business from one of the client from the France. And keep it short and simple. This is very, very important. And it's a very important question. Think, would I reply to that message? We have to ask ourselves, if the message comes to us like this, will I reply? That is very important. And start engaging. After connecting, you start engaging with that. I do one typical thing now, recent times, and it is globally, I'm able to do that. I send a positive message during this Corona period, and I will just ask for their good health, this kind of stuff. You will not believe, I get enormous reply from the all around the world over I send it. So like that, you find some niche area, start communicating, immediately start selling, immediately start ask, don't ask job, start engaging, start connecting, start speaking, then things will happen. And network, people like used to say it is your network. What people say is add 5 to 10 new connections every day. I have very important tips here. Those who are already using it, you can use these tips. Sensibly, you can start with 5, 10 connection. You can start connecting and people respond to you. Okay. But LinkedIn per day, it allows you to send requests up to 100 people. After 100, it will stop you saying that connect sensibly, something like you have a template message. But it allows you to per day 100 messages you send. Okay, you send 100 connection requests to per day. And I have one more tip for you. Stop there and go to view people, whoever you want to make impression, or whoever you want to connect with them. You just see their profile, full profile. Then the notification will go to that particular person saying that this Krishna viewed your profile. If you have a good profile, that person may give you connection request. For example, you are giving 100 connections and you are getting 100 connections, then you are connected with 200 people. Your connection will increase, and the connection, more connection is more strength to you. And personalize your connection request. Always, it has a big debate. You should send a connection request itself personalized and modified and all. But many people say for an initial connection, the template itself is okay. That I'm just leaving it to you. You can do it. I'm using the standard template for the connections. And engage with your audience and their content. This is a very, very important aspect. Go see their content, give them like, share them, comment them, just start engaging with them. Everybody likes to have likes, and likes gives the biggest opportunity to one-to-one attention. So if you have some strategy, go at least 10. If you are looking for a job, list out 10 HR managers, start liking their content. Obviously, the thing which you intend to have, it will happen. And you have to share content regularly. It will give you as a thought leader frame. And follow, like, and all. You have to join people and engage. And you can promote people also, like Krishna has tagging and all. It is promoting people. You can do that. And now here comes the important part: how to go about the content. Where the content? It is a big world, and even anything is a content. Whatever you share, and whatever you share adds value to you. So what people say is it should be real you. So your real face, and you can share it through so many ways. You can start writing blogs. You can do podcasting, image. You can share videos. Is a big hit in LinkedIn all around the world. You can start creating videos. You can every day put some quotes, status, link, webinar, white paper, ebooks. There are plenty of ways to start sharing the content. For the beginners, what I would say is just start with sharing other content. Write 1 or 2 lines on your own style. It's called curation. So it is not that you are not writing the full blogs. There are big thought leaders are writing. Just share them and put what is that you felt. I felt it very good, useful, maybe useful for you also. And dear industry leaders, here is the link, something like that. You just write. And if you start doing it regularly, you will start to write beautiful contents. And you have to write contents. It will give you kind of a good reputation in the industry. There is a strategy, people say how to connect and these things and all. You must have a connection target strategy, because like I mentioned earlier, if you are doing a business, your next client is inside the LinkedIn. If you are an employee looking for a next big job, your employer is in the LinkedIn. So what you will do, you have big future awaiting inside LinkedIn. So you approach with a strategy. You connect per day. I want to connect this much. You have a personal target. And there is a important score inside, which is also available in free version, social selling index score. According to your connections and the all-star category and how you engage with people, how people come and engage in your content, LinkedIn itself is giving you social selling index that we can increase it. And we should have a daily plan, weekly plan, monthly plan. Trust me, if you just sincerely following your own strategy in connecting and putting messaging, everything, your possibility will open up. Now, live session. Before getting into that, I just want to quickly check anybody has got any doubt on that. Then we can go to the live session. Hope it adds value to you. Hello? Yes, thanks, actually. Can you go to live session?
Yep.
Thank you. Can you see my screen?
Yes, sir.
Krishna, can you see my screen?
Yes, sir, we can see.
My profile. Thank you very much. So here is a profile where if you go and see your profile, I'm just saying opening mine. So that, like I mentioned, the tips, I am adding my email ID in the billboard itself. You can add so many things. It has options, so people can reach you whatever you do it. So here is the connection. So sir, you asked for the
Yeah.
numbers. Yeah, it is here 3,500. And these are all job, these things and all. Now I want to show you the search option. Now I'm looking for a IT managers. It shows wherever IT comes and all. It's a very big search. Now I put IT manager. Do a simple click. It is a built-in search which I set as a second option. You can search by people, you can search by jobs, you can search by events, you can search by content, companies, school, groups. For example, if I go with people, it gives plenty of results, but it takes people as a first priority and do the search. This way you can do it, and here it gives a first degree, second degree connections and all. This all fine, but I want to take you to the all filter option. For that, you need to go to first type something and enter. Here you get all filters option. Go. You have complete options here. First is first degree, second degree, third degree. I explained this, and connections of particular person, you can search on that. This is the country, and here the company wise you can search, and past companies also we can search. Industries, whichever industry you want to go specifically, you can do that. Language is one of the killer options. You can just spend some time with that, and you can go and select particular wise in institutions, schools wise, and contact interested on a content side and services side. And here is a very important aspect. You can search by name, last name, title, company, school. I just give you one small possibility here. I'm a person who looks for the job, IT related job, or else architect job in a consultant from an architect in Dubai. Now I want to go search a country I have selected, and obviously I'm looking out my outside circle, second degree connections, and industry I am selecting as architectural and planning. Whom I want to connect is HR manager. And obviously, I'm more interested in people who has English profile. I can go finalize more, but still I'm going with this search. I have 4 results: Srija, Green Energy. These are all the people who manages this company. So I can go to them. So completely I will have their own details, and along the way I just want to show them how to search. This person has got very little contents. We can search on their contents also. I'll show you some more other profiles. If you come to his activities, you can go to see all. It will give you all his activities, all the articles he published, all the posts he put. So you can see overall, seen it, what are the, so you go like it here, and immediately you'll get the notification. So you can engage in their contents. So this is how to reach any person, and you can start connecting with them. And like I mentioned you earlier, I'll show you on live example. Sorry, it's taking time. Just bear with me. Just a second. It is supposed to show me. This is the message I want to show you. This guy is from France. He's one of my prospect. I searched him on the BIM manager because I'm working on this BIM technology so that he can give me the job. I'm into business development. I have to get job from him. So I got this profile. I connected. I sent him message like this. Immediately, I didn't ask for the sale. I sent him saying that thanks for being connected. Wanted to drop a personal note to wish, inquire about your well-being. Hope you and family are doing. He immediately responded to me, saying that hello, thank you for your kindness, everything. Then after that, I slowly mentioned I do this BIM services, everything about your interest. Then he started. We are doing with somebody. Then I started communicating. I gave my contact details. It went in such a way that we are now started working with him. You see the possibilities coming up. So it is important that you should have a proper profile, and it is important that you should start connecting with the right people, and it is important that you should have a right messaging with the client, not salesy, general messaging. Fourth one is you have to have a strategy to write contents and start engaging on those aspects and all, and it will give you options on that. So I think we are little bit ahead of time. Sir,
Now it's all right. If you want to take a little longer, it's okay with me.
now I'm done with the live session. So if you ask any question, I can just answer them. And I'm very open and I'm available anytime in future also. If you want to reach me, if you want to ask me anything, please feel free. Whatever I learned, I love to share with you. Any questions you have
Wait,
so far?
Krishna again.
Yes, Krishna.
Just show me that in the live examples of tags and the other one you said.
Yes, I'll show you.
Any examples there?
I'll show you. Which profile you are into?
I am into software.
What job you are doing? Software, no? Any
Software.
industry, any application or a database, which
Artificial intelligence.
you are creating application or artificial?
I'm into artificial intelligence within software.
Yeah, got it. Yeah, got it. Okay, for this moment, I just got on job. So directly you cannot go. Just here you see if anyone is interested in doing private MEP drafting jobs. I know an MEP guy. So what I'll put is here I tag
Okay.
and also just hold on. Okay, I'll put Venkatesh Jairam. He is into that line. I'll say post. Here what I did was that I tagged him. So here three things are happening. One is this guy will know me. He will get a notification. This Pradeep will get a notification that Vetrivel tagged someone, and Venkatesh Jairam will get a notification that he has been tagged into this particular post, which is related with the MEP jobs.
Mm-hmm.
So he can directly approach this guy, and this guy also can directly click him and go to the Venkatesh Jairam profile.
Okay, got it. Yeah.
Yeah, even while writing, this is the important options you are asking. While writing the profile also, here also you can tag someone. It is a job posting, he has written something like this. If you go to some other options and all, for example, this guy is writing about some new joinee of the association. He tagged person inside the block, Praveen Kumar, meaning
Okay.
Praveen, we will get directly Praveen Kumar profile, and Praveen Kumar also will get a notification that he mentioned here. That is all tagging.
Mm-hmm.
And whatever the other words you put mention here for the indexing, that is all hashtags.
Which one you are saying hashtags here in this?
Yeah, I'll show you. I'll show you. These are podcast, best advice,
Okay.
LinkedIn tips. This is the hashtags.
So
Hashtags is mainly to
standard
get
ones.
index in the Google. Yeah, you already listed hashtags. Very popular hashtags also there. In your industry, there are plenty of hashtags are there. You have to do little search on the Google, little search on the Twitter.
Okay.
So these are the two options. When you write a blog or something, you are sharing the information, you want to have, for example, you have one particular requirement and your friends can help you on that. Then you tag them all in the post and you put little hashtags on all, then the blog will become very valuable. Everybody will start to, the visibility will be increased. Clear, Krishna?
Yeah, clear.
Yeah. The key is the engagement, Krishna. And for that, is hash and tags helps in a lot. And another secret is likes and shares. Everybody will get into that. Will see. Even if you have 10 likes, you go check overall the 10 people. Then you start communicating with one simple example. People, you go just leave their profile, leave it. Then if the person is very active, he'll come back to you. If somebody is coming and seeing your profile, you reach them immediately. Thanks for visiting my profile. Is there anything that I can help you? Or can we have a quick chat? How about a coffee? You just start engaging, then see how things are happening. Because we are into sales, we go every day, sit, we have to connect with 20, 30 people. But main thing is technical people are people who are in the different profile. They are not getting the importance of engaging with people. Once the problem comes, the job issues comes, these things, then they immediately go connect with people and hesitant to engage and all. But it should be our natural habit. What is wrong? You can connect with another HR manager. You can start engaging with him. You can know what is happening in that company.
Right.
Great. Thanks, Krishna, for that question.
Yeah. Thanks. Yeah.
Anybody else?
I have a question.
Yes, actually.
So let's say if I want to share my profile with anybody in a link form, how can I have that?
Okay. You can paste the link, it automatically gets into the hyperlink, and you need to add something to the text before adding the link, hyperlink.
Okay.
And what people say is, everyone, if you are a thought leader or you want to become a thought leader, have your own website, have your own blog somewhere outside. You write blogs in the LinkedIn and give that link here so that people can click and go to you will get dual visibility. Your LinkedIn also will get a visibility, and end of the day, overall content will go to your website, obviously. You can do that. Many people are doing
Is there
that.
any way, like one option is to copy the hyperlink, but is there any
Yes.
way where I could generate a link from the LinkedIn profile and then share that link with anyone?
Yes, we can do that.
How
See,
can we do that?
like we can in your profile, you
I
have your own address is there. Come to the contact page. Here, this is your LinkedIn profile.
yeah.
If you copy this link and put it in, what people say, no, this link should be there in your email signature. So that
Okay.
whoever the client you are sending the email, you are sending your LinkedIn profile indirectly. So if he clicks
Okay.
that link, it will reach your LinkedIn profile. So you copy this and you can customize this also. Actually, when you create, you are not creating it. It randomly put your name in a different form. After that, you go there without disturbing it. You can customize his name and you can start putting it. And people advise it, keep this profile link in your signature. It
And
adds a lot of value.
okay, and how do we customize this link? Let's say, I mean, how do
For
we?
example, I got it like
Can you
we
show
can do
any
that.
example?
If you go, yeah, I'll try this here. It should give you some option because I did it. It was showing me earlier like Vitrivel hyphen something. My name is Vitrivel Chanmu, so I just customized it.
Okay. Okay. I'll try, and in case if there's something, I'll reach out to you.
Yeah, you can do that, and you can even give a fancy name also. Like if you have some company, reach me at this that you can do that also because it's very much doable. I did that, so I am saying.
Okay. Okay.
But
Thank
really,
you.
I had a question.
And keep your contact page. Yeah, please, Rajesh.
What's been your
Just
experience from
just a
the?
second. Is it okay? Yeah. Okay, go ahead, Rajesh.
Yeah, no, my question was more from the data privacy perspective. What's been your experience? Because I see a lot of phone numbers, emails. I also see a birthday being shared. Do you think it's a safe platform to share confidential information?
See, in that
Specifically
case,
when you're
to
speaking
be
to your
honest with
prospects.
you, no. Of course, but when I speak to my prospect, there are two things. I want to clear. You're worried about your contact details, or you're worried about your
No. It's a
connection
social media site,
details?
right? At the end of the day, it is an open platform.
Yes.
We know things
Yes.
get stolen, right? I mean, and get compromised.
Yes.
So I'm just checking.
Yeah.
Do you think it's a safe
In
platform
that case, one thing is it is a professional network, not normal social media things are not happening here because it's a very serious. Even somebody is viewing your profile, you will get a notification. Even somebody is doing something, if it's a to an extent safe platform. But end of the day, to be honest, nothing is safe here. Even your other details is not safe. It is not only with us. So in that case, you have to take little risk only because you are creating a profile and without a contact details and these things, it is kind of a, what I say, you are printing a visiting card and you are saying that the number is hidden, then it doesn't make sense, right? We have to trust and go. Or to an extent, it is a professional social media site and all people are very serious. You can trust this, Rajesh.
Understand. Thank you.
I will just share.
Yeah, please.
I will just share one of the opinion regarding the security purpose.
Please.
Sometimes it's get very difficult to identify whether the profile is genuine or it's fake. Like if I'm targeting to certain number of customers and somebody who's new and sitting across the country for me, so then in that scenario, sometime, I mean, I'm not saying for all, like 99% they are correct, but 1% chances that there in my experience it happened that the profile was not very genuine. So it's a risk, I would say, we have to take.
Yeah, Sakshi, I also
Yes.
agree with you. I also had this experience, but luckily I got advance alert from LinkedIn portal itself that not to
Okay.
interact further with that profile. So
Okay,
it's
great,
true.
great.
I was clearly alerted. First, I had the connection. Then, in couple of hours, I got an alert saying that not to interact, and it was blocked completely. That's great security in LinkedIn.
Okay,
LinkedIn, the chances
okay.
of getting fake profiles is very low, I believe.
But in my case, it actually happened, and somebody tried to call me up also through that number and all. So, but ultimately, when I come to know, I blocked everything, so that got saved somehow. But yeah, one person, I would say it's a risk, but as Sir said, it's a low thing. It's a low degree thing.
But even LinkedIn takes care of these accounts very well. Recently, there was a
Yes,
public account which has been having similar. One lady had an issue by another man,
yes,
proposals and
that's
all.
true.
That
That's
that
true.
was been published, but then LinkedIn took care of it very well and removed the concerned faulty accounts.
Yes, that's true. Their security system are far better than other social media sites.
Okay, so now if Vitravel,
Yes, sir.
let's deal with the questions so that we can close in another 5 minutes.
Yes, sir.
Hey, Vitrivel, it's a very good session. You brought in a lot of insights into this. Really appreciate. Great effort. Okay, thank you very much.
Viru
Okay,
sir,
only
thank you very much. Yeah.
two
Please go ahead.
comments I would like to make on the job search.
Please, please,
Okay,
please.
so job search, yes, LinkedIn is one of the media, but don't go by only that only. Our careers are made based on, I would say it's a co-creation of our career. Our careers are created by our network outside LinkedIn based on our credentials, the type of connections I have, interactions I have, experience I have. I think because most of the job search or the postings are really go through this so-called artificial intelligence, the filtration, the posting, I don't think that really come up into the social media. Second one is most of the job description, what you see is generic. It is good to build a network and experience in creating our career. Okay, that's all suggestion I can have. Okay, thank you.
Viru sir, that is a fantastic suggestion. And I want to address this. It is, of course, you are worried about job descriptions and its genuinity and all. What I want to tell you is, it is not the job description you go by and apply, and it is one part of way. Another part of way is, it is a real connections. You know the HR manager. For example, we are in the sales. If you know your regional sales head who handles 3 countries, and if you start communicating with him, how about the sales in Dubai? And I am experienced in that. That is you are getting the opportunity will open up.
Yeah,
You are
that's
getting a real
perfect.
people. You are
That's
getting a real
perfect. Do you know what
opportunity.
is
Yeah,
happening right
yeah,
now?
yeah,
Right now,
yeah.
most of the important jobs never even come out that get closed in a very close knitted network between the consultant and the hiring company. That's all I wanted to convey.
See,
Not
that is
everything
there. That
comes
is there.
out into
I
the
totally agree, Viru
open.
sir. I totally agree.
Yep, yep.
So
Thank you. Thanks, sir.
I'm more positive about the possibilities it creates, because you know the real people, you know what is happening there. For example, I was talking to somebody about the training program for the employees. Now you have a simple option. You can go and search all the HR manager, start shooting, asking this, because this HR manager will be looking for this kind of a training manager or a trainer during this COVID period. You're seeing the possibility. You can just go reach them directly, start communicating with them, because
Yeah,
you will not get their WhatsApp number, you will not get their email ID. It is because he himself is creating the beautiful profile and waiting for you to reach him.
Yeah, and number of connections also what we should have is really what we can manage and what we can bring the value to them actually. Count, maybe it looks good, but really are we engaging with them? Do we offer support to each other? I think that's one of the pivotal point rather than the number of connections. Okay, and any new connection which we make, We should always go with an offer how we can contribute to them rather than what we are asking them. That's a very good tip. I like that. That's how it works basically.
I totally agree, Viru sir. And I'm missing your motivational and energetic voice nowadays.
Boss is there, Mr. Sukdeepak. I love those voices. That's good enough. Universal.
You
Yeah.
you're the guy who made us start with that time management session which you did. You
Yeah.
and Neeti, and now it's Vitrivel. And we can keep looking, all the alumnus of my programs can keep looking at how we can add value to each other. So if anybody else has anything else of value to add, we can share it not only with this group, but we can share it with our friends and family also whom we can invite.
Sure. Maybe I will look for some topic and share with you, sir, separately. We will decide if that works, then we can go ahead with that.
Yeah, why not? I mean, since we are all interested in learning, anybody who can add to it, is most welcome to do that. All right,
Perfect.
so Vitrivel, thank you very much for an engaging session. And I think that this is my idea. I don't know what other people think. We should have a kind of follow-up session to this.
Sir,
Because-
you gave the idea. You gave the idea. We can name it as a value club and start it.
That's one thing, but right now I'm talking about Vitrivel's session.
Yes.
And we can do a little follow-up of it if you think it's required. So that, when people start practicing whatever he has taught, then people may have some more questions for him.
So I
Yeah.
think he can build up the LinkedIn profile of the members who are attending it. That will create
Yeah.
more value.
I can do
That will be a lot of hard
that. I
work.
can do that.
What was it you were saying, Rakesh, Atul, about this idea just now?
So we can name it. You just took the name value. So we can name it as a value club.
Yeah, okay.
And all your ex students and current students, we can form a club and we can decide like how many times in a month we should meet for 2 hours. So it becomes a total ecosystem of learning and creating values for each other.
Okay, let's do that. So let's
We can
consider-
make it
let's
also as a
consider-
paid membership, some minimum subscription we can provide it so it takes care of everything.
Yeah.
But definitely it will be adding value in each other's life by learning and taking as a case interviews or a case method basis. Also, we can take up a live case which has happened in somebody's life on that topic. So learning will be, I think, more faster.
Okay, good idea. So let us consider it launched from this session
Yes.
on. So this
Yes,
was the
sir.
first session of the Value Club. Okay.
Correct, sir.
From now on, it will
And
be
I
called
think
Value Club.
today's business world, we need a LinkedIn profile. Without that, and LinkedIn, I think it is becoming more like a relational platform, and transactions will follow up.
Okay, great. Then thank you, Vitrivel. Thank you
Thank
for a great session. I'm sure everybody is very happy with it, and we will look forward to more of these. Thank you and good night.
Thank you, Mr. Vitrivel. God bless
Thank
you.
you all.
Just before
Thank you all,
closing
very
it,
nice.
I want to say special thanks to
Thank you.
Sukdeep. Because of him only this possibility has come up. Though I know the subject, he is the one who has given me the platform. Thank you very much, sir. And thanks, Vijay, for joining.
Okay.
And thank you, Dr.
Okay.
Gupta. Thank you, Atul.
Yeah, thank you, Sukdeep.
Thank you, Vitrivel. Thank
you
you,
all.
Sukdeepak sir.
Thank you,
Thank you all.
everybody.
Okay, bye.
Thank
Bye,
you
good
very
night.
much.
Bye. Good night.